Hey, hello students, welcome back once again to another lecture, short lecture series of permutation combination. So for today, we will understand the basic formula of permutation. So the NPR formula. So that is the agenda for today. So as you can see in my screen, so it says their permutation formula. So we'll find the number of arrangement or the number of permutations of n different objects taken R at a time. So what's the meaning of it? Suppose let me annotate here for you. So suppose we have n different objects, they all are different, and we are taking r number of object from that n different objects. Suppose where r is, you can see where r is greater than 0 and less than equal to n, right? So we have n different object and we are taking r object from that the n different object, and we are finding how many ways we can arrange those r object. We have to find that number. So what is NPR? And this number will denote this number by n, PR. We will denote this number. Suppose we have n different object and we are taking r the object from this n different objects, and we are finding the arrangement, total number of arrangement. This total number will denote by this notation, as you can see. That is, we can denote in different ways. So one notation is n p, permutation of r object which we are taking from n different objects. So NPR, or we can write it as in PNR. That is also the another notation. So by this way we can denote the number, total number of arrangement. So the number of permutations of n different objects taken r at a time, will denote that number by NPR. So let's understand this first. So we have to find the number. So suppose we have n different object and we are taking r from it, and we are finding total number of arrangements. So as we are taking r from it, so there will be r blocks, r number of blocks, right? Here I can write we have r number of blocks here. So this is one, the last one will be ... This is the rth number of block. So total we have how many different objects? Total we have n different objects. So how many, if I go for basic principle of counting, in this flow, we have to find the R arrangement, right? So in this first position, how many objects I can put here? Obviously, as we have n different objects, I can put n different objects here in the first position. After putting one, I can put n minus 1 different object in the second one. After putting one, I can put n minus 2 object in the third one. After putting one, n minus 4 different object I can put in the n minus 3. In the fifth position, n minus 4. Like this, in the last position, as you know, so n minus r minus 1. So it will be n minus r plus 1, right? So we can write, so if I use the principle of counting here, so what will be the total number? Total number will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 plus and ... n minus r plus 1. This will be the number. So NPR is equal to this. Okay, this is little big formula. So we'll we will deduct this, we'll simplify this with the help of which you call factorial. We'll use the factorial idea to simplify this formula. So let's see once again. So we are understanding the basic permutation formula, that is NPR. So NPR, as we have n different blocks, here I am writing. So we have total r different blocks, and you have to fill it with n different object. We're finding r permutation, right? So here we have total r. So now for the first box, I can put there will be n number I can put, right? There are n ways to choose the first element. So for the first element I can choose, there will be n elements. After that, for the second, n minus n ways I can choose the second. Then for the third, n minus 2 ways I can choose a object, and it will go like this. And for the last, there will be n minus r plus 1 ways to choose the rth element, right? So by product rule or the principle of counting, so total number will be, as you can see, NPR, P of n comma r, that is same as NPR, that is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 ... like n minus r plus 1. So this is the formula. You can simplify it with the help of factorial. So let's understand. So what is factorial? So let me erase this portion. So let's simplify it. We have the formula that is npr, or I can write p of n comma r is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 dot 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 up to n minus r plus 1. Okay, that is the formula. We'll use the idea of factorial here. So here I can write the same thing as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 dot 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 n minus r plus 1. Can I write in the next like n minus r into n minus r minus 1 and n minus r minus 2, like this up to 2 1, up to 3 2 1. Can I write this? Yes, we can write. We are multiplying this thing with the numerator, so we'll multiply the same with the denominator. So in the denominator I'll write the same thing, n minus r. So from here we are writing, right? So n minus r into n minus r minus 1 into n minus r minus 2 dot 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 3 into 2 into 1, right? As we know, like r here, r is always greater than 0, less than equal to n. So if I like subtract 1 from 1 2, so eventually I'll get to 3 2 1. Now simplify it. This is nothing but, as you can see, let me change the color. So as you can see, what is this? This is nothing but, the numerator part is nothing but we are starting from 1 and going to n. So this is nothing but n factorial. And the denominator, we are starting from n minus 1, n minus r, then n minus r minus 1, then n minus r minus 2, up to we are going like till 1. So it will be nothing but n minus r factorial. So this is the simplified form of NPR. So NPR, you can write NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So that is the formula. You can use this formula for various cases. So that's all for this video. See you in the next. Thank you.